Hello everyone. So today we're going to be talking about another major cryptocurrency game which is called Rocky Rabbit. So Rocky Rabbit is a game which involves you tapping and mining. So in this mining section, you have to make sure that you are buying cards because you're buying the cards, you're going to increase your profit per hour. And your profit per hour is going to help you whether you are in the game or you're not in the game. You also have to make sure that you've already performed the daily tasks there because there are some tasks which is Easter egg, Supercell, you have to join the IT channel, follow them on Facebook or Instagram and all that like that. And after performing all the tasks, you're also going to get more points. So and Rocky Rabbit are going to be listed on the 22nd of this month, very much September. So make sure that those of you that are already doing it, you have to make sure that you sit up with this and you are starting to earn more points for the airdrop. And for those of you that have not started, it's not too late. You can still click the link and join and quickly tap whatever you want to do. And also perform the task you have to do if you want to partake in the airdrop. For more information, please check my channel, Praise Adetitun channel. Bye for now.